Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have your materials, so start with a magic ring now. Make 6 single crochet into the ring and pull tight. Move next to increase rounds by adding 6 stitches each round until you reach the required diameter. This shapes the head. Use a stitch marker to mark round starts so you don't lose count, and check tension, tight enough to hold stuffing, loose enough to close later. Once the head base is complete, stop, secure your last stitch, and prepare to add facial shaping. Now shape the features. Crochet 2 ear discs with 6 SC in a magic ring, fasten off and sew evenly on top of the head to balance the silhouette. Make small black eye circles, add white backing for a gleam, and embroider a triangular nose. This creates expression. Join the body by crocheting continuous rounds from head to torso, decreasing gradually. Stuff little by little so the shape stays firm. Make sure to stuff the head more than the body so the keychain hangs upright when finished. Finish by closing the final opening with invisible decreases. Pull yarn through remaining stitches and weave ends inside 3 times to secure. Attach a split ring or lobster clasp to a reinforced loop at the top. Add extra holding stitches and a dab of fabric glue if needed for durability. If the panda leans or looks lopsided, don't panic. Remove some stuffing with a needle, redistribute fibers evenly, then restuff and shape with your fingers. If seams gape, add a few tight whip stitches to close gaps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.